Hey there. I'm gonna do Seahaven. The song is called Bait. I think it's a very good song. All right, that's what's going on in the beginning, like the first minute and 39 seconds of the song. We have open A. We play open A, we let it ring. And we play the G string on the 10, B string on the 10, and then we hammer on to the B string at the 11 and pull, and then immediately pull off. So it's 1. It's like this: peanut butter, Mississippi. Then we take our ring finger, we on the D string, we fret the 11th fret. We pull off, and we fret the D string at the 10. That becomes the bass note. So we're playing this series of bass notes. And and we're kind of playing this riff over the top of it. Right? That's what's going on. I think I can't explain it any better. But they're doing some real cool stuff with the open chords and the A and the D. This is an E chord, right? And we're just playing the A portion. Like if you took an A chord, A, B, C, D, E. That's what they're doing, and they're playing an A over the top of the E major. All right. Next, we'll cover the at about 1 minute and 42 seconds that they switch to like distortion, and we'll talk about that next. But they're heavy for a little bit, and they turn on the distortion, and they kind of go, and then they hit that. This is a C sharp power chord. It's a C sharp power chord, but if you're gonna get those extra strings, you can play it as a C sharp minor. B, this is B at the 7th fret, it's a major. A at the 5th fret, it's a major. It goes like this until about 2:08 into the song. And then the second guitar is playing like some lead lines. 11, 13 on the D string. Then we go back to where we were playing that riff. I think at that little interlude, I think they're playing they're playing the open A string, and then they're bending this D string quite like 2 steps. That little interlude. They go back, do another, chorus, and then they go out just like. Remember, they got 2 guitars. Okay, thanks for watching. I hope that helped you with that Seahaven song. Bait. I like the lyrics in it. Bye-bye.